The mystery of aluminum foil, shiny versus dull.
Have you ever wondered why aluminum foil has one shiny side and one dull side? This everyday kitchen item sparks curiosity, with many people debating which side to use. Let's dive into the science behind its appearance and find out if the difference really matters.
How aluminum foil is made.
Aluminium foil gets its sides during manufacturing. The foil is rolled into thin sheets, then put through powerful rollers. In the final pass, two sheets are rolled together. This makes the outsides shiny, while the inner surfaces become dull from contact. This simple process creates the familiar double-sided look.
Is there a performance difference?
The previous user speaking might have the same content. Both sides block light, moisture, and air the same way. When it comes to cooking or storing food, there's no impact from using one side over the other.
When the sides might matter.
Now, only specialty foils need attention to sides. Non-stick aluminum foil, for example, puts the non-stick coating on just one side, usually the dull side. When using regular foil, you can ignore the shiny dull debate. For non-stick foil, cook on the non-stick side for best results.
The bottom line, use either side.
For standard aluminum foil, use whatever side you prefer. The shiny and dull sides are a result of manufacturing, not function. Unless you're using non-stick or specialty foil, the scientific answer is simple. It truly doesn't matter which side faces your food.